Invisible cooktops have steadily moved from futuristic design concepts to real, usable kitchen technology. This video explains how these cooktops work, what materials they require, the companies behind them, and the cookware needed to get the best performance. It also covers pricing, availability, advantages, and downsides, helping you decide whether this high-end, minimalist cooking solution is worth adding to your home. Invisible cooktops are fully functional induction cooking systems hidden beneath the countertop. This allows you to cook directly on the surface with no visible burners or glass panels. The technology first became commercially available in the late 2010s, with early adoption led by InvisiCook and TPB Tech around 2018 to 2020. In recent years, improvements in compatible countertop materials and stronger industry partnerships have pushed wider adoption. This makes them far more accessible in high-end residential kitchens. Invisible cooktops use powerful induction coils mounted beneath specific countertop materials. When a compatible pot or pan is placed over an active cooking zone, the coil creates a magnetic field that directly heats the cookware. Because the heat is generated in the metal of the pan, not the countertop, the surrounding surface stays cool and safe to touch in most cases. Some models use subtle markers, micro-etched patterns, or low-profile indicators to show where the burners are located, preserving the clean, uninterrupted countertop design. Countertop compatibility is one of the biggest technical factors in choosing an invisible cooktop. The material must allow magnetic induction fields to pass through while remaining heat-resistant and stable. Ultra-compact porcelain slabs such as Caesarstone, Decton, and Neolith are currently the most reliable options. Sintered stone, ceramic slabs, and some heat-resistant granites can also work well. Quartz is not recommended because it may discolor or crack from prolonged heat exposure. Marble is too porous and sensitive to heat changes, making it a poor match. Wood, laminate, and metal countertops can warp or cause overheating. Natural quartzite and soapstone sometimes work, but may create uneven heat distribution. Ideally, the countertop should be between 12 mm and 20 mm thick. Thicker materials may block induction or require milling to reduce thickness in cooking areas. Before I continue, I would personally like to ask you to hit the like button and subscribe. It doesn't take much effort and is very much appreciated. Thank you. Now, let's continue. Several companies now offer invisible induction solutions, each bringing its own engineering approach and design style. InvisiCook, based in the United States with international distribution, is one of the most recognized brands and has become a frequent partner in modern kitchen remodels. TPB Tech, headquartered in Spain, pioneered combining porcelain countertop surfaces with built-in induction zones. ABK Group, operating Cooking Surface Prime out of Italy and Spain, has expanded rapidly in Europe and other regions. Invisible cooktops are sold primarily through specialized kitchen design studios, stone fabricators, and authorized distributors rather than traditional appliance stores. Brands like InvisiCook rely on partnerships with local installation specialists who ensure that the countertop material, thickness, cabinetry spacing, and ventilation meet all of the manufacturer's requirements. European brands such as TPB Tech and ABK Cooking Surface Prime maintain well-established networks across Europe and are increasingly appearing in showrooms throughout North America and Asia. Most high-quality induction-compatible cookware works well with invisible cooktops. Stainless steel with a strong magnetic base provides the best performance. Cast iron technically works, but retains heat for a long time, which can transfer excess warmth to the countertop surface, so it is usually recommended for occasional rather than daily use. Cookware made from aluminum, glass, or copper must have a bonded magnetic base to function, and even then, results may vary. Some brands offer specialized lines such as Invisa cookware, but most users can rely on existing induction-ready pots and pans. A simple magnet test remains the easiest way to tell whether cookware will function properly. Invisible induction systems are significantly more expensive than standard glass induction cooktops, largely due to installation complexity and the need for compatible counter materials. InvisiCook pricing typically starts around $1,790 for a 2-burner system. It increases to about $2,290 for 3 burners and reaches roughly $2,790 to $3,290 for a 5-burner configuration. Costs will vary depending on countertop material, fabrication requirements, and labor. TPB Tech and ABK Cooking Surface Prime offer similar price ranges, though exact figures often require a direct quote. Invisible cooktops offer a seamless aesthetic that blends cooking zones directly into the countertop, maximizing workspace and supporting minimalist design trends. Induction cooking provides fast, efficient heating with excellent temperature control. All while the cool touch surface increases safety and makes cleanup surprisingly simple. Some brands offer Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity for smarter control and monitoring. Despite their appeal, invisible cooktops come with several important limitations. Their high cost makes them less accessible than standard induction options. Countertop material restrictions can add remodeling expenses or reduce design flexibility. While the surface stays cool in general, a hot pan can leave a warm area behind, requiring some safety awareness. Certain small or lightweight pans may not trigger the induction sensors reliably, and extended low-heat cooking can occasionally activate safety shutoffs. Installation requires trained professionals, and repairs may be slower due to limited service networks. Invisible cooktops represent a striking evolution in modern kitchen design, blending advanced induction technology with a completely seamless surface. They offer efficiency, elegance, safety, and valuable workspace, making them especially appealing in high-end or minimalist kitchens. However, the technology requires careful planning, especially when selecting countertop materials, and comes at a premium price. For homeowners who value clean aesthetics and cutting-edge innovation, invisible cooktops can be a transformative upgrade. For others, traditional induction cooktops may remain the more practical choice. Have you seen anyone with this type of cooktop? Leave me a comment and check out some of my other videos. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you at the next one.